Well, to other stories, the Lagos State Environmental Protection Agency has recently launched a nationwide awareness and sensitization campaign to tackle the harmful effects of untreated effluents and air pollutants on the environment. Our correspondent, Esther Mokwariola, has details.
The event drew stakeholders from various sectors, all gathered to address the challenges and explore opportunities in managing effluents and air pollutants. Speakers at the campaign emphasized the dire consequences of improper waste management, highlighting issues such as soil and water contamination, air pollution, and overall damage to ecosystems.
The health implication of untreated effluents and even toxic emissions into the air are far-reaching. These implications can either be short-term or long-term. Some of the short-term effects include things like asthma, cough, difficulty in breathing, and even exacerbation of asthmatic attacks amongst those that previously have asthma. But the more concerning ones are the long-term effects, because we have long-term implications of some of these things, and they range from cancers. A lot of the cancers that we're seeing now that have unknown causes, the causes have actually been traced back to improper industrial waste management.
The Ministry of Environment itself has seen that there is need for people to be informed, for people to be aware, so that whatever we're doing, it can be owned by the people.
In response, the agencies involved reaffirmed their commitment to penalizing offenders and strengthening monitoring and enforcement efforts to ensure compliance.
What we've done so far is to continuously tighten monitoring and enforcement. Penalties would include fines and blacklisting. So we're able to immediately say that this organization is not compliant with the environmental regulations and therefore doesn't deserve to be reckoned with.
We have teams that go around monitoring. Everyone is supposed to be registered with a PSP operator. That's how we know that you are complying with the law. And then also you're supposed to have a bin to contain your waste. And we'll continue we're going to start a show your receipts exercise very soon to ensure that everyone in the state is safely managing their waste by patronizing a PSP operator.
In the meantime, the agency's focus on enforcement and public education is anticipated to drive significant improvements in the fight against pollution and environmental degradation.